Another day, another dollar.
You see him?
Yeah. Ooh.
One. Fuck off, fly. I've done one. Didn't crash it. Slowly bring it back to the wind. Turn around. Now that wind dies down, we're going to go for another loop. Oh, pull it back.
What the fuck is
Nearly
it?
lost it. Sorry.
Okay.
Got it. That was a perfect flip.
I think I got it. The best I can.
Bring it back. Nice and easy, see? No rush. I'm going to go again. Hang on.
Unbelievable.
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Get off the ground. You going to try something?
Okay, he's upside down currently. And
Oh, did you see that?
ooh.
Oh, that was my mistake. Forgot to hit the button. I would have had
It happened so fast that I don't even know. Oh.
Okay.
Repeat
Take a
that
step
again.
back.
Repeat that again.
3D mode's up.
Don't forget that one. Ugh.
Let the spin dust go away in a second. 3D mode now.
Ooh.
I'm in panic mode.
Oh, oh. It's okay. You got it. You got it. We're all the way over there.
How did I do it? How did I just realised a fucking trick that might be a trick or it might not be a trick.
New video. Okay, we're going to try the inverted. What's it called?
Goes like this.
Ooh,
Fuck yeah.
fucking weapon.
Oh,
Ooh.
did you see that?
Yeah.
That was like a partial mistake. Ready?
Yep. Oh, oh. Ooh. It's hard because I've only zoomed in. Get it. Ooh. Oh, what the fuck is he? Up over here. The sun's blinding.
Oh no, sorry, Jake. Back over here. Can't do one more roll and we'll call it a day.
Alright.
We're still in one piece.
Nice, successful, calm one today. I hope everyone's enjoying part 4.
Okay, you ready?
Yep. Ooh.
That didn't count up. That's a bit of a
I was
fail.
sidetracked by the dog, to be honest.
The dog's on a leash.
Huh?
He's on a leash. Oh, you got sidetracked then.
Yeah. The dog might get excited, it'd be funny.
Alright, ready? Oh! Oh no!
Oh,
I
no.
nearly had it.
One more quick one.
The gear still looks to be okay, so. Oh no, that can't be good.
What happened? Oh. Tail shaft.
How does that work?
Buff. Hurry.
The wire broke. How?
No more flying today.
How the fuck did it just fell off? I was fucking going so fucking good, man. How?
It's Nor's fault. That's what you get for stealing my Nor and YLA shirt.
Is it a connector? Is it a
That
wire?
was actually your shirt, but I claimed it that you were wearing it.
Are you serious?
Is it flyable?
Nope.
Back to the repair shop. Oh.
I wouldn't think the fucking I would not think in the world that
That could
this
occur.
thing here would just
Is there hair on that?
probably all your hairs. That would just-
How? I haven't touched it. How can my hair be on there?
that it would just pop off and
Fly on you. He's got fluff in his beard. What is it?
it's fine. I'll fix my beard soon.
Okay.
Like how?
Sorry. Sorry.
Yeah, I would not think in the world. Like I understand break the helicopter, but how the fuck can the rear propeller just fall off?
I know, I'm going to get back to the car now.
Yep. All right. Over and out.
Bindies. Alright, peace out, bye.
So unfortunately today on the video, as you guys seen, the tail boom just fell out on the helicopter. Got some good news and some bad news. The good news is, well, the bad news is, I've had this Ninja helicopter for a long time, probably 7-8 years. But I got impatient and I found out the connector from the original tail boom from the Ninja fits into the K110S. So this helicopter has donated a new tail boom. The original propeller for this helicopter does not fit on this tail boom, so we have an aftermarket set up here off the Ninja, and incredibly it actually works and it flies as it should. Well, I only tested it inside, but this tail is a little bit longer, so it's like I've got a little custom helicopter here now. Yeah, so only thing really damaged was fix the canopy over the time. Sometimes there is like a slight vibration when I go up and down, but I find that the gear comes loose and causes some vibration. But good news is the heli is fixed and it is basically full aftermarket now, so pretty cool. Stay tuned for part 4, guys, and see you then.